Bitcoin, November 30th, 2025, weekly update. We'll start with the monthly chart. We got definitely an uptrend going. This last long bear candle happened in November. Today is going to be quote unquote technically to December the 1st. So we start off initially down, which I kind of like. We need because before anything, when you go a drop down before we go drop up. But we'll see how this candle forms in December. Down for the weekly. The price action's above the 200 MA, so that's positive. Last week we got a positive candle, but not quite above the previous candle before then. So this is not a change of direction or going back up. Bullish. So it's not that. We have this new candle for this new week, starting off bearishly. We'll see how low it goes. It can probably come down to this point and see if it comes down here, reaches some liquidity and bounces back up. For daily time frame, price action went below the 200 MA. 200 MA is kind of curving down, showing weakness. Price action went down, bounced down again. Let's see how it responds after all these lines here, which are economic news that's going to be dropping this week. We'll see how this affects this price. Will it shatter it to go down more, or will this change direction to go and jump up? We keep an eye on that. 1 hour, price action plunged under the 200 MA just recently, showing weakness. 200 MA is still up, but since we have weakness under 200 MA, that's a bearish sign, and we'll have to monitor if there's going to be any bottom this goes to. So maybe it might reach to this bottom right here, or down here. Or if it doesn't reach that, then it'll turn around more. But probably going to come down to this side, which is about 86,000, and see how it responds from that. 15-minute. Price action plunged under the 200 MA, and it's still going down. So like I said, it might come down to around 86,000. But right now it's just flat. But we'll see how it responds as it's turning down, and see if you have a bounce or not. Let's keep an eye on that. So let's look at the trend line version of that one on the 15-minute. 15-minute, we got going down, plunged under the 200 MA. See, toward this monthly safety line, which hasn't been broken for a while. So that's support. And when we have some resistance here on this action line. So we'll see if this line comes down here, touches and bounces up, or if this comes probably down here, 86-ish, and then bounces back above the action line. So these are my decisions lines right here, if it crosses here, or if it crosses over here. On 5 minutes, you can go down, but of course we're just showing weakness. No bottom showing here, still reaching down. Same thing for the 1 minute, it's just showing downward movement. No bounce in sight yet. That just being monitored. So back to the 15 minutes, we'll go from there. Okay, so if we look at the news coming up, it's going to be a pretty busy week. Monday is going to have red folders, Wednesday red folders, Thursday red folders, Friday red folders. That indicates probably going to have some volatility going on in the market. So we'll see how that goes. Liquidity, we're on a liquidity going on. We see it going straight down. We're going to probably hit this 86,000 as we're indicating here. Got some liquidity. Once it hit this, we'll see how it responds back up. Maybe to these liquidities up here or not. This is for the 24 hour. Let's go for the 48 hour. Same thing. So we'll see how it responds right here. And that's the update for the monthly time frame, or monthly, or weekly update, and the first day of December.